No matter what, when you make money, split it in half. Yeah. Split it in half right away. Real estate is just one thing that you know where your money is. That money's in the ground. So regardless of what's going on in the world, people are always going to need places to do business, places to live. They're always going to need places. So the more that you can achieve the buy or the ownership of these places, the more that you're always going to have revenue coming back to you. You're also putting yourself in a position to always go out and borrow or get, because I have these things to leverage. So the more that you, I guess you would say, the more that you get, the more that you can do. And you know, sometimes I think people think it's a far-fetched goal to get. And it's not really. It's not that hard when you gain the understanding of it. The game of Monopoly is a real game. It's a real fucking game. And when you play Monopoly,
can you repeat that? I don't know that everybody
the game of Monopoly is a real game. When you play Monopoly, the goal is to buy up as much property as you can and get people to pay you for that property when they land on it.
Rent.
That's the fucking
the rent.
game. So when I look at now my success, I'll tell you, here's something that I do. And this
tell us something that
only
the IRS knows.
This is something that you guys don't know. Let's say I do a movie, right? That movie is whatever the fuck it is. I make a nice amount of money to do a movie. Take that number, split that number in half. Half of that number goes to the government. That's the IRS, no matter what.
We're talking about 25 million.
We can just call it a number. I don't want people not being here when I leave here. Let's just call it a number. Okay? Let's say that number is a number. No matter what, when you make money, split it in half. Split it in half right away. Don't put the money in your bank account and look at it as you got all that money, because you don't. Half of that money is not yours. So right away, put it over here. Create a fucking account, call it the tax account. Put half of that there, so as you make money, you always put this money in the tax account. I never have to worry of giving the government their money, because that money's over there, and I don't look at that like it's my fucking money. I'm never gonna touch that money, because it's not mine, it's the government. So now off of my half, what do I wanna do? I'm gonna take another half. This half is going over here. This half is for my next real estate investment. I don't know what it is, I haven't figured it out yet, but I'm putting it over here, so when I do figure it out, I got there to buy. So now I'm only living off a quarter of my financial gain. I split it in half, and I took a quarter. You only get in debt when you don't understand the breakdown of your finances. Right now I'm doing a deal.
So you buy the paddock from the last quarter left.
I'll buy, my reason for watches is because there's nothing more valuable than time to me. So I spend money on timepieces per project, because those timepieces go with me putting my time to something that meant a lot. So each watch that I wear is not just me wearing a nice watch just because. It's tied into a project that I did, and I spent this time. So if I got on a fucking expensive watch, you look at it as I'm probably spending some fucking crazy money. Well, that watch could be tied to Jumanji's $1 billion box office. Right, it could be this one. This is stainless steel padded. This is when we did Cold as Balls the first season, and Cold as Balls went on and achieved, I think, 80 million views. From the 80 million views, our show became a success, and we then agreed to do 2 more seasons. I celebrated. I got my stuff in stainless steel. Reason why I'm in a cold fucking tub. This is the color of the cold tub. Everything is tied in. There's nothing. I'm so vetted out and well broken down.
Everything's got a reason.
Everything's got a reason. So here's what I mean. Another thing I want to add to the finances. What I found that some people really suffer from is financial literacy, right? Like that's a real problem. People don't understand that, but it's a real problem. We spend money when we get it as if it's a recurring thing when it's not. I know a lot of people that get a check, and as soon as they get that check, they go fuck that check off. And I want the look of what comes with that check. I'm not getting another check like that for a while, but when I got it, boy did I live. I had a good time when I got that check. Instead of understanding, how do I make this money make sense? and actually have more value and bang for it? How do I prepare myself for the next month when I don't normally have money? That's the part that's getting a little fucked up for me. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna treat this money differently. So when I get to this month, I'm well prepared. Oh, now that I'm prepared, I wanna do this again. So when I get to the month after, I got 2 double bangs of being prepared. Oh shit, I done saved up 4 months that give me protection and comfort for when I don't have money. Oh wow, so I basically have money. I'm now in a position to do what I once couldn't do because I have value from the money that I made because I've done all of the things I need to do and at the same time saved.
You always had that.